Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to create a Proforma invoice in Zoho Books, which is a great way to share preliminary invoices with your customers before the actual sale. First, go to the Sales tab and click Invoices. Then click Plus New at the top right corner. In the New Invoice window, select Proforma Invoice from the drop-down at the top if the default is set to Regular Invoice. Next, fill in the customer details like name, email, and billing address. Add the products or services, along with their quantities, rates, and applicable taxes. You can also include discounts, shipping charges, and additional notes to make your Proforma invoice clearer. After entering all the details, check the invoice preview to ensure everything looks correct. You can also customize the template under Settings to include your logo, terms, or a personalized message. Finally, click Save and Send to email the Proforma invoice to your customer, or save as draft if you want to review it later. Zoho Books will track the invoice status, and you can later convert it into a regular invoice once the sale is confirmed. And that's it. You've successfully created a Proforma invoice in Zoho Books. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Zoho Books tips and tutorials.